Welcome back to Sandy's Musicals, bringing Igbo language to you all, one music at a time. If you like this video, click the like, subscribe, and the bell. In this video, I will be discussing the Igbo alphabets O to O, starting with the pronunciation of the Mkpụrụedemede, followed by its song pattern. I will be saying Abịdịị in place of the word Mkpụrụedemede from time to time. The Abịdịị discussed today will consist of some Ụdaume and Mgbochiume, including some Ụdamkpe. Parents, please be present with your children throughout this video because your children will need your help to pronounce the Ụdamkpe. Let us start with the Ụdaume O. This Mkpụrụedemede is somewhat similar to the English alphabet O. It is pronounced as in the letter O in the English word open. Say it with me. O, 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 as in open. The next Ụdaume is O. This Abịdịị is not pronounced the same way as in the English alphabet O. It is pronounced as in the letter O in the English word octopus. Say it with me. O, 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 as in the word octopus. The next Mkpụrụedemede is P. This Mkpụrụedemede is not pronounced the same way as in the English alphabet P. It is pronounced as in the letters P-I, P, in the English word pin. Say it with me. P, 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 as in the word pin. The next Abịdịị is Re. This Abịdịị is not pronounced the same way as in the English alphabet R. It is pronounced as in the letters R-I, Re, in the English word ring. Say it with me. Re, 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 as in the word ring. The next Mkpụrụedemede is Se. This Mkpụrụedemede is not pronounced the same way as in the English alphabet S. It is pronounced as in the letters S-I, Se, in the English word sing. Say it with me. Se, 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 as in the word sing. The next Ụdamkpe is She. This Ụdamkpe is pronounced as in the letters S-I-H. She, as in the English word ship. Say it with me. She, 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 as in the English word ship. The next Mkpụrụedemede is Te. This Mkpụrụedemede is not pronounced the same way as in the English alphabet T. It is pronounced as in the letters T-I, Te, as in the name Timmy. Say it with me. Te, 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 as in Timmy. The next Ụdaume is U. This Mkpụrụedemede is not pronounced the same way as in the English alphabet U. It is pronounced as in the letter U, U, as in the taxi business Uber. Say it with me. U, 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 as in the word Uber. The last Ụdaume that we will look at in this video is O. This udaume is not pronounced the same way as in the English alphabet, U. There will be no visual aid for this udaume. Parents, I will need your assistance in pronouncing O so that your children can pronounce it properly. Say it with me. O, O, O. Now, let us start with the musical part of the Abịdịị. A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G, B, Y, G, H, E, J, K, B, Q, L, M, N, Nyenye, O, P, R, S, T, U, O. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.